Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix involved connectivity loss. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you simple and easy steps to fix the problem. Just follow easy step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Then turn your Wi-Fi off and on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, the app will not work properly. So the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. The another step is check update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open your Play Store or App Store and search for the app. Tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. The another step is check server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issue. So the another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on apps or app management, then select app restore or app, then search for the app and tap on storage and cache. Click clear cache. After doing that, this removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives you a fresh start to the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.